Welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about how to make a bot in Telegram. Today we're going to be talking about the necessary packages that you're going to need if you want to make this bot in Telegram. And as you're going further into the tutorial, you're going to see that we're going to be making different bots so that you can understand how to make your own bot and apply it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here is my Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I've set up a virtual environment and I've also made a test file. This is not the main file, I'm just going to be using it for test. But first, we're going to have to install the packages that we're going to need. Now, I want this tutorial to be very simple, so we're only going to be needing one package. And the name of that package is called Telethon. It has a great API to connect to Telegram and also send and receive messages. It can also do so many other things we're going to have fun with as we go on with this tutorial. Now once you install Telethon, it's going to take a little while if you haven't installed it before, but if you've installed it and its required libraries, it's not going to take much time. Now, when you finish installing Telethon, you have to look out for this message: successfully installed PyAES, these other libraries, and Telethon. It's going to automatically install the latest version, which we would want to use. And once you install this, you are going to be ready for the project that we have ahead. Of course, you can also use this with IDLE, but I like to use a virtual environment because we don't want our global packages to conflict with each other. You can also check out why it's better to use a virtual environment and how to use it using the link in the description. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.